Hey guys, the Beachy Realtor Chef coming at you today from College Station, and I'm sitting at open house, and I'm also going to be making for you a chocolate maple pecan pie. Come check this recipe out. Really just a few simple ingredients: maple syrup, fresh pecans. I am going to use a homemade store-bought pie crust, but I do have a pie crust recipe in my other files for you to check out. I'm going to start by spraying my pie dish. I like to keep a nice rustic look on the crust. So blind bake this crust in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. I just put a little parchment paper on the bottom of my crust. And beans to a 350-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. So into my food processor bowl.
In the food processor, you will combine 6 eggs, 2 cups of dark Karo syrup, and 1 cup of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and blend for 3 minutes.
As you can see, it's mixed well for about 5 minutes and it's nice and airy. Alright, so the pie crust came out of the oven. I poured the beans on.
Into the pre-baked pie crust, add 1 cup of dark or milk chocolate chips and 8 ounces of pecans. Pour batter over the top, shaking to make sure everything is coated.
Filling. (350 degrees) for approximately an hour. In the oven now for about 55 minutes, and I'm going to pull that out. You can see it's puffed up just a little bit, and it should give you a light bounce back in the middle. And that's your pecan pie. Now it's going to take about a good hour, hour and a half before I can even cut it and try it.